everyone. Today I am going to show you how to offer and use a pair of scissors. This is an EPL activity wherein the child improves eye-hand coordination and develops fine motor skills. For this activity, we will use a child-safe scissor which is not pointed and sharp. So let's see how do we offer a pair of scissors. We will hold this in our hand and offer. Next, when we show the child how to use a pair of scissors, we always have to tell the child that this is a thumbs up activity. We have to show the child to put the thumb in the smaller hole and the other two fingers in the bigger hole and give him the verbalization of open, close, open, close. We'll give the child a thin strip of paper in which I have drawn lines. Let the child cut along the lines. Once the child has mastered cutting this thin strip of paper, we can give the child different patterns for cutting, like a straight line, zigzag line, curved line, or any other pattern. One more activity the child can do is take each cutting and put it in a pouch or a small bag. This activity helps to develop the child's fine motor skills. Let the child save these cuttings for his future art and craft activity. They can use it for pasting or collage making. Hope you enjoy cutting. Thank you.